Okay, in this video we're going to take a STARR HR4651 high beam reflector headlamp and we're going to install the STARR ReadyFit 9005 high beam LED bulb. With the STARR HR4651 reflector high beam, this light comes with a 9005 halogen bulb already installed, and it comes with a adapter cable converting the back of the bulb to an H4 for your vehicle. We're going to go ahead and take the halogen bulb out. Notice before we remove this that the base of the plug, it's a right angle light, and the base comes out at 90 degrees and comes straight down. That's important because that's going to be exactly how the LED replacement upgrade goes in. So we're going to go ahead and give us a crack to the left and pull it out, and you can see that it's got 3 reference lugs on it. And if you look carefully, one of the reference lugs at the top at 12 o'clock high is smaller than the other reference lugs at 7 o'clock and 5 o'clock, and it has a 90-degree angle, and you can see the filament inside the bulb there. We're going to put that down. Let's set this down here. And on the bottom of our box here we have a 9005 ReadyFit bulb. We're going to open this up. And you can see, just like the halogen counterpart, the 9005 LED ReadyFit has the same right angle base on it. So what we're going to do, you also notice on the bottom here that there is the notches on each of the 2 bulbs, and that's where the clip fastens. There's 2 pins in these. What's convenient about this is it actually tells you on the bulb, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it shows you what the positive and negative terminal is as well. Go ahead and take this headlamp. We're going to pop this in, twist lock it into place. That's it. And lastly, we're going to take our adapter cable. Notice on the right hand side we have the positive wire lead and the negative on the left, and of course that lines up with the positive and the negative on the back of this. So we click this into place, and this headlight is now equipped with an LED bulb upgrade kit in it. Notice that for proper alignment with the reflector, that the LED post is vertical and the LED chips are shooting at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock horizontally inside the reflector. That is the proper position for correct alignment in a reflector style headlamp.